Hi, I'm Eric Pulaski. I'm excited to be here to introduce you guys to SmartVault. We're a software as a service document management company, and you can see it says intra-application and cross-application document management. I can tell you, you'll see in some screenshot in a second exactly kind of how we do what we do. But we are kind of positioned, someone said yesterday, the killer app for SaaS is the ecosystem. And SmartVault basically has got a document management system delivered software as a service that can plug into a lot of different applications and provide a way for application vendors to easily add document management to their platform. And I'll show you guys what you can do, and there may be an opportunity for us to partner together where we can both make some money. But we have been in the marketplace a little over a year. We started in the financial and accounting market. We've basically won every award in the space. We've got over 1,000 customers now. We're growing our revenues about 100% quarter over quarter, and we've made a lot of progress in the last year we're pretty excited about. So I'll tell you a little bit about our value proposition, our go-to-market strategy and how we're expanding that, and then a little bit about our team and kind of why we're here and who we're looking to partner with, and hopefully this kind of rings a bell with some of y'all in the room. So I founded the company a couple of years ago. My last software company was an internet security software company that I built up, took public, and sold to Symantec a few years ago. So we know security really, really well. We know building enterprise apps really, really well. And we know how to build things that work across slow network links really, really well. I got my A team from my last software company here. It's a very smart, agile team. We've got a very low cost. I heard earlier about sort of the high cost of building out a data center and how the infrastructure can cost you a lot when you're building a new SaaS company. We've got a very efficient, very low cost way to deliver our services to our customers, and we're pretty excited about our technology and our team. On the technology side, we really got two things that are exciting that I can show you guys. One of them is we've built a great infrastructure, software as a service infrastructure for document management. It's secure, scalable, robust. It's got a great console. It's got all the things you'd expect in a SaaS document management solution. The second technology we have is this patent-pending way we have of integrating with applications people already use through an approach we call a toolbar, and you'll see that, I believe, in a screenshot on the next slide. So the SmartVault solution looks something like this. There's kind of three key components to it. The first I'll show you is the toolbar. And this is an example of the first thing we've plugged into, which is QuickBooks. It's kind of the first vertical we focused on, is actually document management enabling QuickBooks. So you can see right there in the middle, that's the typical QuickBooks screen. I'm not sure if y'all are very familiar with QuickBooks, but on the right-hand side, that little toolbar going down the screen, that's the SmartVault toolbar. So our toolbar is really easy. It's got three icons in it. There's a paperclip icon, so wherever you go in that QuickBooks application, you can click the toolbar and we can attach a document right to that transaction. You can scan an employee employment agreement to an employee record, a customer contract to a customer record, a bill to an invoice, whatever you want to do. And then on the next icon below, you can see is a folder icon that will show you how many documents are attached to whatever you're looking at. And the user simply clicks on that folder and they can pull up all the documents that are attached to that transaction, that contact, or whatever. And then there's a little note icon that allows you to attach a sticky note to whatever transaction you're looking on. But there was no work that QuickBooks had to do to make this work for us. So we've come up with a way that we can take this toolbar and inject it into applications people already use and essentially document management enable that application. So we can do that within one application, and we're going to be breaking that out, going to be plugging into a lot of other applications. You can imagine, for example, a salesperson scanning a customer contract into a customer record in Salesforce.com. The accounting guy can pull that, who doesn't have a Salesforce.com account, works in QuickBooks, can pull that customer record up in QuickBooks, see the same document, and maybe the CEO, who doesn't mess with Salesforce.com or QuickBooks, inside Outlook would see the same toolbar and can pull up the same document. So we've got this document management system with plugins to the applications people are already using in the environment, so people don't have to learn some Mondo, document management console. They can work in the applications they already work with. The second kind of key part of SmartVault today is what we call our inbox. So this is an electronic inbox, kind of like a Dropbox, where you can drag and drop files in there. You can scan in paper documents. We're great at going paperless, by the way. We have got a hybrid technology. It's not just a SaaS technology, but we also have a program that works as a little system tray icon in Windows. So we've got a great user interface that will integrate directly with any Twain scanner and with this Fujitsu ScanSnap scanner. So we can provide the end user with a great experience for going paperless, from dealing with their scanner all the way to going into a web portal, and searching for a document later. So with the inbox, this has kind of been a key thing for this first vertical that we're focused on, which is the accounting market. For example, bookkeeping firms use this product where their clients, instead of assembling all their paper documents in a shoebox and give it to them once a week, they basically can scan the documents into this electronic inbox in one location, and then the bookkeepers can, in another location, pull up the documents in the inbox, enter them into QuickBooks, and kind of deal with everything. And then, of course, we've got a great web-based portal that you can do searching from. You can very easily collaborate, share documents with folks, and at a click of a button, if you want, you can take all the documents and pull it down to a zip file on your local computer if you actually kind of want a local copy of all your files. But so our go-to-market strategy is we initially, instead of going out to the general SMB market, we're very focused on the SMB market. We picked a very large vertical, and we're very happy to be going after the mere 6 million of the large masses of people who have like Peachtree and QuickBooks between just those two applications. So we're focused kind of initially on this very large SMB market right now with QuickBooks, and then moving to Peachtree. It's about a 6 million user a group of customers, and then we're going to be kind of moving up channel. We've in the last year validated our technology. We've got a rabid following of fans, all the kind of the mavens in the accounting technology space, kind of love what we're doing in document management. So what we're doing now is we're taking our product and we're expanding it into different channels. We now have an API for ISVs. So you as an ISV, if you've got a software product that could benefit from document management, we're here looking kind of for partners, and I'll kind of tell you what we're doing, but we're taking this approach that we've got, we're expanding to other accounting systems, and then we're going to be plugging into Outlook, Salesforce.com, a lot of other applications. So the reason why we're here at OnDemand is, first of all, if you're an ISV with like a database-oriented application where your customers have paper they need to deal with like very little work on your part, you can add document management, a full-blown document management system to your application. So you can generate additional revenue from the customers you already have. Second of all, is you can expand your customer base. We've got over 1,000 customers at SmartVault. We're looking for other applications that we can plug into. I'll give you a couple of examples. One is an expense management company that has got a lot of people take all their paper documents, they enter their bills online, they scan in the paper. They're now using us for their document management system, and we're giving them a presence right inside that toolbar. So inside the 4 million QuickBooks customers, you've got a presence right within that application. So if this sounds like something that rings a bell you guys might be interested in, we'd love to talk with you. And in terms of the VC community, we've raised a $4.5 million of Series A funding, and next year we're going to be going to look at to raise a Series B round. So we're happy to introduce ourselves to y'all here. So thanks very much.